In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Uber Driver app by walking you through downloading the app and setting yourself up for a smooth driving experience. Whether you're just looking to earn some extra income or have decided to drive full-time, these steps will ensure you're ready to hit the road and start accepting deliveries. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you have the latest version of the Uber Driver app downloaded on your smartphone. This is crucial because updates can include new features, improvements, and critical security patches that keep the app running smoothly and securely. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, simply head over to your device's app store, search for Uber Driver, and begin the download. Once it's installed, make sure to check for updates regularly. This will help you stay current with any changes Uber rolls out and keep your app performing at its best. Once you've got the app up and running, the next step is to sign up to become an Uber driver if you haven't done so already. This process involves submitting some basic information about yourself, including your driving experience. Keep in mind that you may need to provide additional details such as identification and vehicle documents during this step. After you're signed up, you'll want to request a Plus card. This card is a key tool that enables you to accept certain types of delivery requests that you otherwise couldn't, so don't skip this part. Moving on, after you have received your Plus card, it's time to activate it. Fortunately, the Uber Driver app offers a straightforward process for this. Simply navigate to the Plus card section within the app and follow the on-screen instructions. Be thorough in this step as an active Plus card is necessary for unlocking those additional delivery opportunities. Once it's activated, consider adding it to your phone's wallet app. This makes it easy to access and manage your Plus card right from your phone's home screen. With everything set up, you're now ready to start accepting deliveries and making those trips. Keep your app open and be ready to accept pack and deliver requests as they come in. These are the requests where you'll really see the benefit of your Plus card. Finally, when you're out making deliveries, remember to use your Plus card to pay for any packages required during the delivery. If you're faced with a situation where the Plus card isn't accepted or you need to make a different form of payment, don't worry. You can also submit these expenses for reimbursement through the app after the delivery is completed. This ensures you're never out of pocket for too long and can keep your focus on delivering great service. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now fully equipped to start your journey as an Uber driver. Keep your app updated, stay organized with your Plus card, and enjoy the flexibility that driving with Uber brings.